Hi guys, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I have a haul for you guys. So I'm super excited for this stuff that came in. First of all, I want to say thank you to Pick You Color. She is so sweet. Her name is Tomis. She is here on YouTube. And she does tons of nail videos, poly gel, acrylic, and everything in between. She also reviews nail items from Amazon, and she picks one of her subscribers to review it with her. She sent me a beautiful package here. Here is the card that she sent me, and look how cute. You guys know I love Japanese and Asian stuff, and she does too. Look at this cute card. I can't even. Is that the sweetest thing? Absolutely so sweet. She is such a sweetheart. I'm honored to have her as my friend here on YouTube. And let me show you guys what she sent me. She is so kind. And I absolutely love her. She's super talented. So I highly recommend you guys go and check out her channel. I will link it down below in the cards for you. So came in this beautiful box. I mean, the packaging is just so nice. She was really kind and sweet to do this. So I do want to send her a lot of love and gratitude for doing this. So this is a beautiful Dappen Dish here. I mean, look at this, you guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. I like it so pretty. I don't want to use it. It is absolutely gorgeous. We're going to have a good look at this here. So look at this, you guys. Is this not beautiful? I mean, look. And then, so like, I didn't even realize when she was reviewing, it has different colors. If you guys can see, like pink, yellow, red, blue, and it's just stunning. I mean, this is the bottom of it. So it has these little things that hold it, and then it has these little leaves here on the side. This is just stunning for your monomer. I mean, come on, this is absolutely stunning. It's super glittery and girly, and I'm obsessed with it. And thank you, Tomi. You are so kind. I love all your videos. They're so soothing to me. Your voice is just so soothing. I love how you explain everything, and your nail videos are amazing, and I do love this, and I will be using it. So thank you so much, Tomi. The next thing I have, guys, a girl called Sophie reached out to me on my Facebook, and she asked if I could review some of her brushes. So I would pick out a Kolinsky brush and she would design it. She's worked with resin and epoxy for over 25 years, and she likes to decorate acrylic brushes and things like that. So if you guys want custom decorated acrylic brushes, UV lamps, she is your gal. I'm going to show you guys. All I told her is that I like girly things, glittery things, and everything sparkly. So here's what we got here. Now, she's from Australia, and she did ship this to me here in Texas. So you guys, look at this. And this is all hand done. Is that so cute? The glitter on here. Look at that. There's a little unicorn guy here, and then she put a star here on the tip, which I absolutely love. There are some crystals here on the tip. I hope you guys can see that. And then around the edge here, this is so beautiful. I'm so grateful, and I absolutely love her work. And this, it looks like it's not smooth, but it's super smooth. I don't know what she did. She put some kind of resin top here, and it's super smooth to the touch. And it doesn't add much weight to the brush. Like, the brush is about the same. So I absolutely love this. She did a wonderful job on this. You guys can see how she kind of bunched it in here. It looks super cute. So this is the brush in its entirety. I absolutely love it. This is a number 16 Kolinsky brush. Right here. Okay, so I have to break it in. In order to break it in, guys, it's really simple. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on how to break in your acrylic brushes. The main thing you want to do is there is like a glue on it, right? See how stiff that is? There is a packing glue on this to ensure that the shape stays. So when you get your brush, you just basically fluff it up to get off all that glue. It's going to look like white powder, after you do that, like really ensure you get all the powder off. You just swoosh it in your monomer a little bit and you're good to go. But I can do a video on that if you guys are interested. But I mean, look at this. This is all hand done. If you guys are interested, let me know. I will leave her Facebook down below. And this is absolutely stunning. I'll show you a close up here. And I mean, look how perfect the edges are. She did a really, really good job. And the crystals on top, I absolutely love that. Here's the back of the brush. So yeah, she does custom designs for acrylic brushes and UV lamps and things like that. So I highly recommend her. And then the next thing, you guys, I know we have been awaiting this. So I am gonna do, here is the company. I've had this for months and months and I've used it before. I just haven't gotten a chance to record. Here is the company. It is Hcs Nail Art Supplies. I do believe they're a small business. I do believe that they are located in the UK. But of course I am here in the US, so they do ship to the US. I'm not sure about internationally other places, but I know that they do ship to the US. Here is their Facebook and their Instagram if you guys are interested. So let's get right into it, right? So it came in this flat box here. This box is really flat, you guys can see. And then we have tons of glitters here. Let me open this up without shaking my phone. All right, just 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. So it did come wrapped in this really, really nice paper here, this tissue paper, and we're gonna open it up and have a look at all the glitters. So here is the first one that I got. This is called Disco Ball. This is, how do I explain? It is a like medium to fine hexy glitters, and it has like white, iridescent, and silver in there. It's really, really pretty. I love this one for the holidays. It's a gorgeous color. And this is called Disco Ball. And then we have Carnival, and very fitting to the name. So here we have, so there are fine pink glitters in here. There is hexy pink glitters, and then you have some blue, some larger blue hexy glitters. We have some silver and blue stars. So I would label this as like a pink blue glitter. It is a mixed size. You have some stars in here. So really, really pretty and fun glitter. Close up of that. It's really, really pretty. So that is Carnival. And then this glitter here, it's perfect for this season. It is called Christmas Tree. So this one has, it's a base of fine red pink glitter, and then you have some matte small hexies, and then some large green hexies. So these are really, this is a really, really nice glitter for the season. You guys can see that there. Really, really pretty. So this is Christmas Tree. And then this one is Flower Power. So this one, it is an iridescent glitter, and it has iridescent, let's see, I would say that the look of this, just looking at it, is like a greens and pinks, but mostly on the greener side. And you have tons of flowers. So really, really pretty. And then we have Lilac Frost. This is a really, really pretty glitter. It has a fine iridescent glitter in there. And then you have some iridescent color shifting purple and really, really light blue glitters, as well as some iridescent, and those are hexies. So it's a really, really pretty. You guys can really get it. See that there? I love this glitter. It's Lilac Frost. And then we have Candy Floss Crush. This is a pink mylar glitter, and it has a blue shift to it and a gold shift. It's really, really pretty. You guys can see that there. Absolutely love it. Going on with the mylars, we have this yellow-green, more yellow, and then it shifts to green, called Lemon Crush. Beautiful color there. And then again with the mylars, we have Grape Crush. This is a purple mylar. It shifts to pink and gold. I absolutely love it. You can See it there? And then we have this iridescent Hexy mix that also has fine glitters in there. This is a beautiful color. It's an iridescent Hexy mix. It has a blue and pink iridescent in there. Beautiful for Christmas time and New Year's. I love this glitter. It's called Snow White. You guys can get a good look at it there. And the camera is doing it pretty justice about the color on that. And then the next one we have is this beautiful, this is a pink, really fine pink glitter, but it has like that blue shift to it. So I'll show you guys. Let's see if we can get that. Do you see that blue shift in there? It shows up much more in person. It has like a blue-purple shift. It's called Barbie. And then we have, I love this one. It's one of my favorites. So this is called Pinkie Pie. And this one, let's see. So here we have some tiny tinsel, gold tinsel. We have some white tinsel, really small though. And then we have some really small white and pink hexies. And then we have larger pink hexies, and those pink hexies are matte light baby pink. And then we have some circular gold dots, and those are not matte. So this is so beautiful. This one is one of my favorites. Absolutely love this one. Gorgeous. And then we have a similar one, but this one doesn't have any matte in it at all. It is called Treasure. It is just not mixed up correctly, right? So on this side, it looks like it's all fine gold glitter, but the back is mixed better. So what's in here is you have a fine gold, champagne gold glitter. And then the camera's not really picking it up, but it does have rose gold medium hexies in there, as well as gold hexies. So really pretty color, perfect for the season, and the color is Treasure. Our next color is an iridescent pink glitter. This is called Pink Ocean. This has large and medium iridescent pink, and it shifts kind of green hexies. Really pretty. Pink Ocean. You guys can see the fine glitters right there. Really gorgeous color. And then we have Silver Hollow. This is a fine silver holographic glitter. Look at that. Yes. Love it. Then we have Mermaid. This is like a medium hexy glitter. It is just one solid size. It's really pretty though. It has some shifts in here, like I would say like bluish green, but more on the blue side. It's really beautiful. If you guys can see that there. Really beautiful. And then my cuticle nipper in there. Sorry guys. So we have this color, which is really nice. I think this would be really nice with an ombre on top, like a nude ombre. This is called Resilience. This is a circular glitter. It is like a minty, a bit of a darker minty green color, and it has like a pearlescent to it, so it's not completely matte. Really pretty. And then we have Moonlight. This color is gorgeous. This is a fine, a chunky glitter mix. So we have some fine blue. This is it's not like a really dark midnight blue. Like if you could do like a midnight blue and then make it a bit lighter, that's this color. And it has some fine glitters in here, and then it has some medium and large hexies, and they're all the same color. It's absolutely gorgeous. This color is called Moonlight. And then we have Summer Romance. This is a iridescent pink glitter here. Super gorgeous. It's open. Let me make sure I close that. Really pretty here. We have some fine glitters here, and then some chunky and medium hexies. Absolutely love this glitter. And then our last one is Silver Moon. This is a fine silver glitter. Really pretty. So those are our glitters for today. Again, they are from Hcs Nail Art. So I absolutely love all of these. They are so pretty. I will leave the Instagram and all the information below for you guys. I mean, we have a lot of glitters here, right? So much glitter. So I hope everybody's doing well. I do have a bunch of stuff coming in. Secret Nail Affair, Nail House. What else do I have coming in? I have a Nail Supply Glamour haul. I have a regular nail supply haul from my local nail supply. So a lot of stuff coming up. I still have to do the Shein haul. I ordered some stuff from Nailed by Lucy. So we have a lot of fun stuff. Oh yeah, there is one other thing I didn't show you guys. Sorry, my dog's in the background. So I got this pink, this is the Aurora powder. So you rub this over a no wipe top coat and you get a Aurora type shift to your nails. So this is in the pink reflect. So you guys can see that there. It doesn't, let's see, you guys can see more of the pink reflect in there, but it is a pink reflect Aurora powder. And yeah, so that is it for today. I'm just gonna close this up so we don't spill here. But yeah, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys liked down below. Again, thank you, Tomi, for my beautiful dish. So gorgeous. I'm so excited to use that. And yeah, that is it for today. Oh, and Tomi also did send, I forgot to include this. Oh yeah, and one more glitter that I forgot about. Oh, I'm all over the place. This is one of my favorite glitters. So this is a medium size hexie. It is blue and white iridescent. The color is Snowdrop. So I love this one too. And Tomi also did send, she is so sweet. She sent over in this little baggie. She's so kind. She knows I love bling and crystals, so she sent over these beautiful little stones to apply to the nails. I love these. And then she also sent over some roses. So I love that. Thank you so much, Tomi. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed everything, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.